Hello my beautiful ladies, I hope that you are doing fine. In this video, we are going to see the difference between kinky hair and curly hair. Kinky hair, also known as Afro textured hair, is characterized by tight coils and spring-like curls. It is typically found among individuals of African descent, but can also be seen in people from diverse ethnic backgrounds. Kinky hair strands have a flat, ribbon-like shape and tend to grow in a zigzag pattern. This hair type often has a high density, which means there is a large number of hair strands per square inch. The texture of kinky hair is typically coarse and can vary in thickness from fine to coarse. Due to its tight coils, kinky hair is prone to shrinkage, which means it can appear shorter than its actual length. On the other hand, curly hair is characterized by looser and more defined curls. It often forms a S-shape or a spiral pattern. Curly hair can be found in individuals of various ethnicities, including Caucasians, Hispanics, and people of mixed heritage. The diameter of curly hair strands can vary from fine to thick, and the texture can range from smooth to slightly coarse. Unlike kinky hair, curly hair tends to have a medium density, meaning there is a moderate number of hair strands per square inch. Curly hair also has some natural elasticity, allowing it to stretch and bounce back to its original shape. One of the main differences between kinky and curly hair lies in the curl pattern and tightness. Kinky hair has a tighter curl pattern compared to curly hair. The curls in kinky hair are more coiled and closely packed together, resulting in a dense and voluminous appearance. Curly hair, on the other hand, has a looser and more open curl pattern, giving it a softer and more flowing appearance. Another significant difference is the level of moisture retention. Kinky hair tends to be drier compared to curly hair. The tight coils in kinky hair make it challenging for natural oils from the scalp to travel down the hair shaft, leading to dryness and potential breakage. Curly hair, with its looser curl pattern, has a better ability to retain moisture, although it can still be prone to dryness if not properly cared for. When it comes to styling and maintenance, both kinky and curly hair require specific techniques and products tailored to their unique characteristics. Kinky hair benefits from moisturizing products such as leave-in conditioners, oils, and butters to combat dryness and retain moisture. Protective hairstyles like braid, twist, and buns can help when used moderately, can help minimize manipulation and reduce breakage. Curly hair, on the other hand, benefits from products that enhance and define the curls, such as curl-enhancing creams, gels, and mousses. Regular conditioning and gentle detangling are essential for maintaining healthy and well-defined curls. In conclusion, while kinky and curly hair may share some similarities, they possess distinct characteristics that set them apart. Understanding the differences between the two can help you to embrace your natural hair texture the way it is, and it can also help you to choose appropriate care and styling techniques for your hair. Whether you have kinky or curly hair, remember that both are beautiful and they both deserve your love and care. So you can celebrate the uniqueness of your hair, and also you can explore the endless possibilities of styling and self-expression that come with your hair. Okay? I hope this will help you. And also I hope to see you in my next video. Take care. Okay? Bye.